What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Man, today we are out and about. Me and the brother-in-law Gabriel back there. I don't know if you can see him, but he's back there. And we're leaving the Harley dealership. We just came to look around, you know what I'm saying? But now we're headed to his property. And if you watch the other video about his property, we actually are going back because he had it cleared some. So he ended up having some of it cleared. So we're gonna go check out and look at the progress compared to what it looked like before, from the last video I did on his property. And so yeah, we're gonna go check it out, man. And when we get there, I'll show you what it looks like, and as far as how it looks from, I think he cleared almost an acre, but we'll talk to him about it when we get there. So I hope y'all enjoy and follow along the whole process of him building on this property he's got. So let's go. It's gonna be a little ride, 51 minutes to get there. So let's get it. All right, what's happening, kinfolk? We have finally made it to Gabriel's property. There's Gabriel and the mother-in-law. So we rode out on the bikes, and then the wife and them are here as well. If you watch the other video with us here, I'm going to show you that we are further back into the property. Let me show you where we were the first video. So we were way up in there. So that's where we were at the beginning, the first video. Today is 5:28. We are back because I'll let Gabriel explain to you what he had done. But we are able to come even further back into the property now. So let me get with Gabriel, and I'll let him explain to you what he had done and what his future plans are as well. All right, kinfolk, shit, it's hot as hell out here. Gabriel, so what you have done, man, in order for us to be able to get this far back onto the property so far?
I hired a guy to clean out the underbrush. I think he got close to an acre done, if I'm not mistaken, 1 acre.
Yeah.
And it's looking pretty good. I like the result. Basically, the underbrush will look like this.
Yeah.
As you can see, there's no way you can walk through there.
Yeah, we couldn't even get back this far at all.
And he comes in with the machine, and this is what he does too. He turns it into this, which is mulch. Just shreds everything.
Yeah.
And we're able to get back here, and it looks good.
I think it looks real good, dude. Like,
it looks real good.
Over there, we couldn't, that's the pond right there. So before, we were actually only able to come to the pond there, and all this was underbrush. So you couldn't even get to this side over here. So if you watch the first video, you can see how bad how much, well, you can see here, but that's how it was, man.
Yeah, he's coming back out. Yeah. I'll hire him for another round, and hopefully he can get not all the property, but at least 75% clear.
Yeah. So, and then you want him to do the perimeter as well.
Yes, he's gonna try to get a perimeter with a GPS, so I can come back and put a fence.
Yeah.
Or at least mark my property.
Right.
There's no markings.
Yeah. Yeah, because right now there is a property right across all this here. You can probably see that house there, right there. But there, I don't think there's a fence. From what we could see there, I don't think there was a fence there. But they've got some big ass dogs.
Yeah.
So he definitely wants to put a fence up, and that way he can fence off his property and kind of prevent people or other animals trying to get in here. You know what I mean? So they didn't tear anything up. But yeah, the thing is though, right now there's so much underbrush that there's no breeze through here either though right now. So it makes it kind of hot with no breeze coming through.
There's a lot of moisture on the floor, and it is due to lack of sunlight coming through. I mean, once I come in here, and not all the trees are coming down, but all the little trees that are too close together, they're like maybe 6 inches in diameter. They're going away because they're useless.
Yeah.
I'm pretty much keeping the old trees, the big ones.
Yeah, and if you see like this one, I mean, that thing is massive.
Yeah.
So you got pine trees there, you got some oaks over there, I mean, he's got all kinds of trees in here that are just enormous, man. So it's gonna be nice once he gets done with it. So the part we're excited about, right, is once he gets everything situated to how he wants it as far as the property and leveled out, and the cool stuff is gonna start coming whenever he starts building shit on here, right? So that's the part that we're excited about, that I'm excited about, to be able to see the progress going for that stuff, him building, you know, different things on the property and including his house. So it's gonna be really cool, man. It's gonna be a cool, I hope y'all follow this whole process, man, and the journey that Gabriel's allowed me to video for not only my sake and y'all's, but for his sake. I think it'd be cool for later on to be able to go back and watch the videos. So it's gonna be nice, man. It's gonna be awesome, bro, and I'm super excited for y'all. So I just hope one day, maybe when he comes back, the guy comes back, maybe it's on a day you can come by and maybe video some shit, because he says the way they knock this stuff down, man, it's insane. A big old roller with what, a bunch of grinders and shit on teeth or something.
Yeah, it's a big roller with offset teeth, and it spins on high speed, and he comes in and just, it's on a steer skid, I think they call it, and it's hydraulic, and he comes in and he just
mows it down.
Yeah, he just shreds everything.
That's crazy.
He catches everything.
Yeah, that would be so cool to see, man. So maybe next time he comes, we can get some footage of that stuff. So I was gonna bring the drone, but yeah, I've already seen the drone. So I think once we get it more cleared out, he gets it more cleared out, then some trees knocked down, maybe I'll bring the drone back and kind of just fly in the property to show y'all a little more about the property itself. But hear that? That ain't no little chihuahua. So, but yeah, man, it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be really cool. You got you got a neighbor there and a neighbor over here, but you know, they're not next door, so that's nice. That's real nice.
Yeah,
but yeah, man, it's gonna be dope. It's gonna be dope.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, I guess I'll let y'all go on that, man. I'll kind of give you a little view again. I'll kind of walk the property a little bit and let y'all see a little bit more of the property itself. But that's gonna be it. We're gonna go get something to eat and drink some micheladas. So we'll see you on the next one. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See.